Hello everyone, this is your host, Mind Waves. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a crucial aspect of leadership, effective communication. In the dynamic world of business, clear and impactful communication is the cornerstone of success. Whether you're a seasoned leader or aspiring to be one, these 8 tips will help you elevate your communication skills for the benefit of your organization and your career. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Be clear and concise. Communication is an art, and simplicity is its masterpiece. Learn how to articulate your thoughts with clarity and brevity. Setting goals, knowing your audience, and avoiding unnecessary details are key. Let's explore the power of concise communication for impactful leadership. Tip 2. Prepare ahead of time. Success favors the prepared mind. Discover the importance of thorough preparation before any communication endeavor. From presentations to negotiations, we'll discuss how being well prepared contributes to effective communication and boosts your confidence. Tip 3. Be mindful of nonverbal communication. Did you know that nonverbal cues can speak louder than words? Join us as we uncover the significance of facial expressions, gestures, and body language. Leaders must not only interpret but also control their nonverbal signals for effective communication. Tip 4. Watch your tone. Your tone sets the tone. Learn why. The way you say something is just as crucial as the message itself. We'll explore how tone impacts workplace dynamics, particularly in conflicts. Discover tips on controlling your tone in real time and in written communication. Conclusion: communication is the backbone of successful leadership. By implementing these tips, you can enhance your communication skills and foster a positive and effective work environment. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Here's to becoming a master communicator in the world of leadership. Until next time, stay communicative and lead on.